So, are we hot, baby?
We're hot.
We're hot. So, my buddy from Arizona came all the way here to see us, but then he made a mistake. He fell asleep in our house, and fell asleep. He's in there sleeping, and he left his look at right here, baby. Left his key in his bike.
Oh.
All right, this is a Generation 2 Yamaha Adventure. This is the first, other than riding my rider and Sue's. Remember we took there, but theirs was a trike.
Theirs was a trike.
This is our first shot on a Gen 2 Yamaha Adventure. We've got over 1 million miles on 6 first gens, but never ridden a second gen. So this is going to be, now we've ridden the 3rd gen, okay, the new one. This is the one between them. This has still got the V4 and stuff in it. So we're gonna take a shot at this and see what we think of it, okay? As long as he don't come out here. As I showed him where I keep my ammo and my gun too, and so we might get shot at here. But okay, so here we go, baby. Watch this. I've never ridden one of these, so let me see if I can figure out how to operate this thing first of all. Okay, key on, gas on, choke on, let me see here, on run. Am I good or what? Okay, baby, come on.
Do you want me to turn this off? Or
No.
All right, there you go.
Okay, she's gonna try to get on this thing. Here we go, baby. Go ahead. I got you, partner. I got you.
All right, I'm good.
Well, what'd you think of getting on it? Here, hold this, will you? Feel different?
Yes, it does.
Can you feel the difference already in between this and the first gen?
Yes. I sit way higher up than you do.
You sit way higher up?
Yes.
Uncomfortably so? Or don't you know yet?
Don't know yet. The seat itself is very comfortable.
The seat is comfortable?
Yes.
Oh. Alright, car's coming. Okay, let me see that thing a minute, will you? Oh, yeah, hold it. There we go. Okay, so far I can tell you, pretty nice. Yeah, you do look like you're sitting way up there.
I know.
But I gotta tell you, go ahead, hold it. I gotta tell you, I've ridden a lot of Harleys and B-twins and stuff that have this lower seating. See, what you're doing is, the reason you're setting up high is you're over the top of the back tire, and I'm down in the frame.
Yeah.
It's a totally different arrangement than the first gens are. And
kind of like how Scotty's bike was, right?
Yeah. We're gonna take you guys for a ride on this thing, on this 2nd gen venture. See what you think, and we'll give you some, and then we're going to do a little bit of low-speed maneuvering, because all we've heard about on these 2nd gens how terrible they are at low speed. Now I know I got a really close friend of mine owns this bike, so I know what tires and everything. They're stock tires, nothing funny about them like going to a smaller front tire or any of that. These are all stock stuff. So we're going to find out. We're going to experience. The only way to find out about this stuff is you get out and ride it yourself. That's my theory. How about yours?
Yep, get outside.
You can't go by what somebody tells you. You got to go out and form your own opinion and stuff. We're going to try and fiddle around with it a little bit. And a little later, we're going to try some low-speed maneuvering. With tip on the back, beds and saddlebags are still full, so it's toured out, packed up with weight. We're going to give you a little demo here, all right? One of these days, we're going to get a new Honda Goldwing to do this with, and we're going to get another demo on that new Yamaha Yamaha Venture, the air-cooled push rod one that we rode in Sturgis. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to be able to get a little bit of freedom and to actually ride the thing. Okay. So here we go. You want to hold on to that right now.